Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ApeCoin. Ape has reached the resistance of $19.50. At the same time, it has also formed this bullish pennant as well, and in today's video we will take a look whether Ape will be able to break out these resistances or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this 4-hourly time frame chart. And here we can see that Ape has broken out the resistance of $16, and after breaking out we had some rejections here by the next resistance of $17. We rejected here, again broke down the previous resistance that was working as a support, and moved up again, rejected by the $17 resistance, and we had some consolidation here above this $16. And after forming this double top, the price line finally broke out the next resistance of $17. Now we have one rejection here. 1 and 2 candlesticks are rejected by this resistance of $19.50, and right now you can see price line is again reached at this resistance. And if we take a look at the 1-hourly time frame, so far we did not have any closing even on the 1-hourly time frame above this resistance of $19.50, and I think we should wait for the 4-hourly closing above this resistance of $19.50. And at the same time, Ape has also formed this bullish pennant as well, that is also on the 4-hourly time frame chart. We can see we have rejection here on 8th of April. Then on 10th of April we had rejection. Then we have on 14th of April, and from 20th to on 20th of April we have this rejection here. Then we had on 23rd of April, and the final rejection was here on 26th of April. And also we have several touch points at the support as well. And we can also notice here that Ape is also forming higher highs and higher lows as well. And now we are at the very end of this bullish pennant, and it is quite squeezed now. So at any time it can break out or break down the support or resistance. For example, if we will have a breakout, then after the breakout we can expect a move. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, that can be approximately $31. So it means that the next resistance can be also there at $30 or $31. That is my prediction, you can say, or I'm expecting that we can find the next resistance there. However, the target for this bullish pennant can be here at $30 to $31. Therefore, I would suggest you here that we should not wait for only the breakout of this resistance of $19.5. We should also wait for the resistance of this bullish pennant as well. Let me place this trend line here so it will be more visible for you. You can see that the trend line of the resistance of this bullish pennant is approximately at $20 to $20.50. So next few hours are very important for ApeCoin, because we are at the very end of the bullish pennant, and at any time it can break this pennant. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.